Ela tá cheia de tesão, eu vou te foder com amor. Menina, só safadinha, arregaça esse pão.
He's got nice hair, handsome, wears a real nice suit, and he always carries a briefcase. The briefcase contains stacks of cash and Dutchie. Then he gives him a business card just like this. Would you like to play a game with me, salesman? He wrote the rules from the get-go. Disqualified.
Oh, acordei sul, na festa de fim de semana.
¿Piensas hacernos algo? Y no te dará una...
No hay problema, en serio, confía en mí.
Solo es el hijo de estoico y vasto, heredero al trono de Pedro, y el más grandioso amo de dragones que se haya visto en esta tierra.
¿Amo de dragones? Soy el único que controla dragones.
No, lo siento. Y si no nos dejas ir, justo ahora, llegará montado sobre su furia nocturna y hará pedazos toda tu asquerosa flotilla de barcos.
You've never had a prisoner this hot. All the boys love me, except Aaron, who totally lost his chance. That ship has sailed, boy. Sorry.
They know there's a song come on with me, yo, babe. That's how does she love the attention? Does she get away? She moved up, showing out where our homegirls hypnotizing all the doors. And she knows. Ladies and gentlemen,
Quede mínimo como un múltiplo, verbo to be, escuchamos y no juzgamos, escuchamos y juzgamos, escuchamos y nos agarramos a coñazo. Taqui taqui rumba, estaba paralizado, con mucho miedo y no me podía mover. Quedé ice frío, hielo, quedé aguda, grave y esdrújula, quedé vemos y juzgamos, quedé plano cartesiano, quedé arepa tiesa.